Hi, I'm Bharat. I work for cybersecurity company Trend Micro. I work with organisations of all sizes to help secure their application pipelines across public and private infrastructures. Today, I'd like to talk to you about security that is automated and integrated into your CI/CD pipeline. Here, we can see a typical pipeline with dev and runtime. But one thing that's missing in all of this is security. All too often, it gets left to the end, and more often than not, it gets forgotten about. So what we need to do is to bring security back to the front of our pipeline to make sure that we've got secure and compliant workloads. If we take the development phase to begin with, we're starting to see vulnerabilities and threats being introduced at the build phase. And this is predominantly down to external libraries that we bring in from other repositories. And all it takes is for one library to have malicious or infected code for your application stack to be vulnerable as well. To combat this, Trend Micro have launched something called Smart Check. Smart Check, with its API interface, hooks into a repository. So when a developer does the code commit and build and goes into the repository, we check that there's new code in there, we pull the artifacts back in, and we do a scan for malware and for vulnerabilities. If the image checks out to be good, we can let the signing process happen and let the code go out into production. If there's an issue with the image, whether it contains vulnerable code or there's malware in there, we can signal back through to the developer using something like SMAC. For runtime security, we have operational tools that can customize this workload, but all too often these controls are manually pushed, and that's why they're forgotten about. So with something like deep security from Trend Micro with its API interface, we can now use your operational tools like Chef, Ansible or Puppet to instrument change through playbooks that you can create, which can then go out and protect these layers of your infrastructure. So, to conclude, Trend Micro Deep Security and Smart Check provides advanced frictionless security to protect across your CI/CD pipeline, your public and cloud infrastructures, giving you seamless compliance and protection.